Welcome to another instalment of Fat Potato Cooks with me, Raj and I. Today we'll be making a Sweet Chilli Tamarind Chutney. This is an accompaniment to many dishes, and this is how we do it. For today's recipe we'll need the following: some salt, some pink salt or black salt, some chili powder, some cumin powder, some ground ginger, water, maple syrup, some caster sugar, some dark brown sugar, and some tamarind raw in its form. What we need, we're going to prepare that first. What we need to do is actually just boil that down into a pulp and then strain it through a sieve. And it's the outcome of that is what we'll actually use for the sauce. So, how do we start? First thing we do is add the water to the pan. There we go. Easy. And then we put the raw tamarind straight in. We now need to wait for this to boil, and then we can break it down into a pulp. So that'll take about 10 to 15 minutes probably. Let's see. So here we are again. It's been about 4 minutes now, and as you can see, it's bubbling away. We can now start to just break up the lumps so we can get all of the pulp. Once you can feel no large lumps, then it's pretty much done. So this looks about right now. And we now need to swap hands. And we just strain what we have into our second bowl. Now what we do is just sieve through and push through as much of the pulp as we can into the water. Once you get bored, just scrape all the pulp from the bottom of the sieve and pretty much you're done with this bit. All we do now is add all of the other ingredients into the pan, simmer for 5 minutes, and that's it. So, we have our sugar, the dark brown sugar, the white caster sugar, and our ginger powder, our salt, black salt, chili powder, cumin powder, and last of all, maple syrup. And all we do now is stir this and just let it come to the boil, and depending on how thick you need it, it will tell us when to stop. We know when it's ready because the back of the spoon will be coated with milk. That tells it's still running. So let's leave it for a few minutes on the heat, and we'll just come back to it. After a few minutes on the heat and the boil, the chutney is now ready. We just need to turn the heat off, put it aside to let it cool down, and then we'll put it in a bowl and then pop it in the fridge. So once we've let our chutney cool down in the pan, we just pour it into a bowl. All we do now is cover that and pop that in the fridge for later. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching today. If you've liked it, please subscribe and like the channel. Until next time, take care.